Imagine this. What if the reason you're still struggling with money isn't your salary, but the beliefs you've been carrying for years? Most people think staying poor is about not earning enough, but psychology tells a different story. The truth is, many of us unknowingly follow money myths passed down by parents, schools, social media, and society. In this video, we're exposing 10 money myths that keep millions of Americans poor, and you'll discover why these beliefs are costing people thousands of dollars every year. The first myth is that money can't buy happiness. While money doesn't guarantee happiness, it absolutely buys freedom. Freedom from constant financial stress, freedom to choose better opportunities, and freedom to spend more time with the people you love. Another common belief is that rich people are simply lucky, but long-term wealth is rarely built on luck alone. It's built through consistent habits like investing, delaying gratification, and making smart financial decisions year after year. Many people also believe they need a six-figure income to become wealthy, but income alone doesn't create wealth. Behavior does. A person earning $300,000 can still be broke if they spend everything they make, while someone earning far less can become financially secure by living below their means and investing consistently. Then there's the myth that saving money is enough. Saving is important, but inflation slowly reduces the purchasing power of your cash, which is why investing becomes essential if you want your money to grow. Similarly, people often believe all debt is bad, but the reality is that bad debt, like high-interest credit cards, drains wealth, while good debt, such as borrowing to grow a profitable business or buy an appreciating asset, can actually increase it. Another excuse many people use is, I'll start investing when I earn more. But waiting is one of the biggest financial mistakes because time is more valuable than the amount you invest. Even small investments can grow significantly thanks to compound interest. The remaining myths are just as damaging because they influence everyday decisions. Many people think budgeting means sacrificing all the fun in life, when in reality, a budget simply gives every dollar a purpose, so you can spend with confidence instead of guilt. Another trap is believing expensive cars, designer clothes, and luxury watches make you look successful. Psychologists call this status signaling, buying things to impress people who usually don't care. Ironically, many genuinely wealthy people live modestly because they prioritize building assets instead of appearances. Social media has also convinced people that financial success happens overnight, but most real wealth is built slowly through years of disciplined saving, investing, and consistent decision-making. Finally, one of the biggest myths is believing that learning about money is optional. Schools rarely teach investing, taxes, credit, or wealth building, yet these are some of the most important skills for achieving financial freedom. The reason these myths survive is because our brains naturally copy what we've seen growing up, fear change, and prefer instant rewards over long-term gains. Psychology calls these shortcuts cognitive biases, and recognizing them is the first step toward making better financial decisions. So, before making your next purchase or financial choice, ask yourself three simple questions. Am I building wealth or just looking wealthy? Am I making this decision based on facts or emotions? Will my future self thank me for this choice? Small changes in thinking lead to massive changes in financial results. If you found yourself believing even one of these myths, you're not alone, but now you have the opportunity to break the cycle. Let me know in the comments which money myth surprised you the most, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on money psychology and smarter financial habits.